Welcome back. So in this video I want to talk about different ways that we can add multimedia to a view. So you can see in this view I've created a couple pictures, and these are pictures that I took as I was walking around the city. And these are on the construction view. And so sometimes you want to add things to design a view. So each of these are kind of backdrops to help contribute to the design of the overall view. However, if there was an aspect of these that I wanted to discuss, a better way to include these in a discussion is to put them inside of a note. So I'll click on this note here, no more Starbucks on College and Beverly. And so in here I have more than just a picture. I can also talk about what's going on in the picture, what my questions are, what my ideas are. And then this way others can very easily build onto these ideas. So these become objects for further discussion rather than just pictures to make the design appear one way or the other. So it's not just for design, but it's to help contribute to the discussion. And so again, you can contribute these either inline or as an attachment at the bottom. And this doesn't necessarily have to be only pictures. We will also recommend this approach of putting multimedia inside the note if you're using audio or video as well. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope to see you in the next video.